tipster who gave information that led to the arrest of Ronnie Dayan is 1 million pesos richer. The reward money was given to the tipster by the anti-crime group VACC, as we hear from Julius Desamburon.
The Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption believes that the 1 million peso bounty they put up proved to be effective in the giving of information that led to the whereabouts of the alleged former bagman, driver and lover of Senator Laila De Lima, Ronnie Dayan. After almost a week, the VACC announced about the reward money contributed by 7 businessmen out to pursue the truth behind the illegal drugs operations in the country. The 52-year-old informant from Northern Luzon was brought to the lower house of Congress this morning where he received the cash while covering his face.
Ang informant po tumawag, nag-coordinate sa Region 1. Tapos nag-coordinate naman sa amin ang PNP regarding the capture and yung mechanics kung paano namin ibibigay yung reward money. Kaya nga nagpapasalamat din ng Committee on Justice sa amin, VACC, kahit papaano, nag-initiate kami ng ganitong move. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng another hearing.
The members of the VACC believe that the heated interpellation on Ronnie Dayan made by the members of Congress paved the way to the clarification of issues on illegal drugs, involving names of high officials of the Bureau of Correction, Newly Liberty Prison, and former Justice Secretary and now Senator De Lima. The VACC aired its support for the committee's upcoming steps, especially when the occasion arises for the need of the CCTV footage of the Pasay Mall recording the meeting of Dayan and Espinosa.
We fully support yung initiative ng Kongreso na isabpina duces tecum yung mga materials na ito kasi very material to or hard pieces of evidence to that can resolve yung kaso na to. May closure na to, no? Ito na lang yung isang resource person na hindi umattend na isabpina. So ito finally na na siya, na present na siya.
For PTV News, Julius Desamburon.